Hi guys, it's Sharon, and today I'm going to be doing kind of like an unboxing, but I already unboxed it, which I shouldn't have. Package from Flormar. They sent me this. It's like they personalized this cute bag. It has my name on it. It's like a canvas bag, and they like stuffed everything in here, which I am so happy. So there's this illuminating primer. It's a makeup base. I haven't used it on myself, but I've used it on clients and it works really well. Like, it's non-drying, it's super lightweight, it smells fresh, and it has like a tacky surface, so it's perfect for makeup sticking on the face all day. And it's super lightweight. Like I said, I haven't worn it because I just haven't been wearing primer lately. I've just been doing really minimal makeup. But I love using this on clients, so I would really recommend this primer. It kind of feels a little bit thinner than the Smashbox, the classic one. I haven't had any complaints about this one, but the Smashbox one did make me break out. And then what else is in here is this Flormar Double Radiance Primer, and this is like amazing. I love it so much. I use it on more mature skin. It's really good. It's like very liquidy and it has like a sheen, and on more mature skin it just kind of adds the glow. And I'll do this under and I'll do it over. Like, sometimes I'll just use this as like the highlighter or the bronzer if they're more fair, and it just has like this angelic effect that I have never seen before, and it lasts all day. It doesn't like crack or separate, and it's super thin, so it blends really well. I don't know, the texture is just amazing, and it has an SPF 10. I would totally love like 20 more of these if you guys want to send me more, because I love it. I just want to put it like all over my body, like everywhere, and I use it all the time, like I said, on clients, so I would really recommend that. Then they send me this lip balm. It's like a primer with color. It's a beautiful color. It's like a mauve, very easy to wear. Sorry, I'm not good at swatches, but just so you can get an idea of the color. I love using this because it's just like such a flattering nude color. I always like to prime my lips with something hydrating, and I do prefer it with color if I'm like on the go, because I don't want to have to worry about what color lipstick I'm wearing. They also sent me this mascara. I haven't tried it yet. I haven't opened it either, but the brush looks good, and I like how the formula looks. It looks thick and not too glossy. They sent me another mascara, Triple Action Mascara. It says it's 3-in-1. Lengthening, curling, and volumizing. I'll have to see how I like it. The brush. What else is in here? There's a blush. It looks like a pretty color. It's called Pure Peach. It looks like an everyday color. I have so many blushes, so I'll have to try this one out and see how I like the texture. They also sent me this Extreme Matte Lipstick. I haven't tried it. It's a purple color. I don't really like super matte right now because it's summer, but it's a beautiful color for like winter. They sent me another mascara, 3 mascaras, and this is the brush for this one. They're all completely different. I love trying mascaras. They also sent me this red gloss. It has like shimmer, and it's like a reddish color. I love this one because I have a lot of matte, I have been using that gloss because I have a lot of matte red lipsticks, and I love wearing red lipstick, but I feel like, you know, like I said, I don't really like matte, so I've been using that gloss over the lipsticks, and it just like works really, really well. And that's pretty much it from what they sent me. I'm really excited to try the mascaras, and I'm so happy that they sent me these products. I'll be incorporating it more in my videos for you guys to see. But thank you guys so much, Flormar. I'll link them below and I'll tag them. Flormar, I don't know if I'm even pronouncing it right. But thank you so much to Beach House PR and Social for sending this to me also. Let me know what you guys think, and let me know if you guys try them or if you guys have tried them. And thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.